Friends, welcome to our online art session. I hope everyone completed the previous craft activity, did it nicely and beautifully well. Today we are learning a art activity. In this art activity also we are making a Christmas related drawing and coloring part. Friends, for this assignment which material require your normal drawing book, pencil, eraser, sharpener, long scale or normal scale for the drawing, a black sketch pen or black gel pen for the outline work. For the coloring part, you can use poster colors, watercolors or oil pastels or wax crayons or colors pencils. And for the decoration part, means for the background, use light blue and dark blue color sketch pens. So let's see how to do it step by step. Students, observe this assignment properly. Here two figures are here. They are decorate the snowman, making it proper with the help of the snow, and in background the trees and house are there. Okay, for this assignment you can use oil pastels, wax crayons or poster colors. Okay, and finishing part is very important. Do it in a shading method wise. And for the background, don't apply plain color. With the help of the light gray or gray rose color, you can make a circle patterns, and with the help of the light blue shade apply the shading method for the 3D effect. So let's see how to do it step by step wise. Just open your drawing book and hold it your drawing book in a slipping direction. With the help of the scale, draw the margin first. Then start the drawing. First I compose the snow. Here I make first hand. Then I draw here cap, one side face, and then full body. This way. Okay. And here I draw one girl. They are making a snowman with the help of the snow and decorate it. Okay. Then here also I make a eyes and smiley face. Then back side I making a ground, house, Christmas trees, So this way our drawing is ready. Now if you are using oil pastels, wax crayons or color pencils, so first step students, do the outline with black sketch pen first. If you are using poster colors, then afterwards, after complete the painting one, you can give it. Okay, so this way slowly do it, outline work. So our background outline is completed. Okay, so now we are start the coloring part, shading part. For the snow I am using red and dark red color. Students, is not compulsory doing with oil pastels. If you want to do the watercolors you can do it, but carefully use it and don't merge more water for the colors. And round brushes you can use it 4 number or 6 number brush, and for the detailing part you can use 0 number brush also. Finishing is very important for this assignment. So this way students merge the coloring. Okay, already the snowman color is white, so I am taking this gray rose. If you don't have gray rose you can use a light gray color, and for the border apply it this way. Slowly apply. For this boy clothes I am using light yellow color. Any shades you can use, it's not compulsory do it this way. And for the pant I am taking brown shade. So you can do the coloring for the house light tone and dark tone, brown, white, for the trees dark green, light green, and for the human figures you can use the bright colors. And for the snowman already I explained the light gray color or a gray rose color you can apply it. Okay, and for the shoes also you can apply gray color. Okay, effect. So now for this background I am taking gray rose color. If you don't have gray rose color you can use light gray or dark gray color. Step, I am making a circle patterns with the help of this gray rose. Don't draw big size of circle, draw the tiny circles this way. Okay, and then I am taking this blue full downside background you make the circles, and for this effect with the help of the blue color I make it this border. Slowly do it. Okay, for the effect. This way our background is completed. First we are applied the gray rose color circle pattern, and slowly we are giving the effect with the sky blue color or medium blue color this way. And for the background use this dark blue color or light blue color sketch pen. Okay, for the stars this way, plus symbol and cross lines this way you can make it for the background. So students, this way our final assignment is completed. Okay, you can see the final result. And for this snowman, you can make this effect in a black way. So this is our final assignment here. With the help of the oil pastels or poster colors, you can complete this assignment for the coloring part. So enjoy your work, students. Do it nicely and beautifully way, and compose the figures in a proper proportion wise. Okay, do nicely and beautifully way. Have a nice day. Bye.